Target today for the name brand versus generic Showdown! Hey there, Finance Fanatics. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Julia. Today we're on a special mission at Target.
The school supply shopping showdown!
Before we start shopping, let's talk about name brands versus generic brand products.
Yes, a name brand is a product made by a popular company, like Crayola for crayons or Elmer's for glue. These companies spend a lot of money on ads to make sure you trust their names and products.
Name brand often costs more because when you buy the product, you're also paying for those ads and their reputation.
A brand's reputation is how people view them based on their product in the past and what they think about the company. On the other hand, a generic product is made by a lesser-known company or the store's own brand. These products usually don't have fancy ads and they come in simpler packaging.
But generic brands cost less and often have the same quality as name brands.
But not always.
You're right, Kevin.
Generic products don't always work as well as name brand products.
But oftentimes they do and can save money on getting the things you need for school.
So today, I'm going to get only the name brand school supplies.
And I'm only getting the generic products or store brand. Okay, we have a shopping list. We're going to start shopping. And remember, I am doing generics.
And I am doing the name brands.
Ready, set, shop!
I got some name brand Sharpie highlighters that are on sale for $6.99. They're usually $8.79.
And mines are on $5.99. They're usually on $7.49.
I got some wood pencils that are name brand for only $2.99.
These aren't the brands that the teachers love, but I got mine for $2.39.
Check out this huge crayon.
Ooh, crayons, and they're only for 75 cents. And I found this pencil case that I really like, and it's generic, so I'm getting it. Let's get some stuff to keep the room clean, like disinfecting wipes and hand sanitizer for our hands.
I have 75 wipes for $4.99.
Oh yeah? Well, I have 75 wipes for $3.49.
Mine are better.
But mine cost less. Well, what do you think, guys? Are Clorox wipes better than Up and Up Target version? Put it in the comments below.
Time to get hand sanitizer for our hands. Let's go.
I got a regular Up and Up Target brand hand sanitizer.
And I got Purell hand sanitizer with naturals made with plant-based alcohol. Let's go ring everything up. Time to scan them.
Ready? Let me start scanning.
Wow, $59.91.
All right, everything came to $41.86.
My total for the name brand supplies was $59.91. Target had some great back-to-school sales. Otherwise, it would have cost even more.
And my total for the generic school supplies came to $41.86. That's a big difference.
Julia saved $18.05 by choosing generic brands. That's a lot of money, so she wins the challenge.
Actually, we're both winners because we know how to shop for great deals. And shopping for generic brands isn't just for school supplies. You can find generic brand for food, clothing, and household items too. So there you have it. Mine cost less.
Well, was your quality as good as mine?
Well, we have to find out. Bye!
And make sure to like and subscribe. See you later, Finance Fanatics.
And remember to stay smart.